Hey everyone, it's Shane from BikeBerry, and today we're going to be showing you guys how to install the BBR Tuning Stage 1 and 2 CDIs. Before we dive into this installation, let's talk a little bit about how a high-performance racing CDI differs from a standard stock CDI. We all know a better CDI means a stronger spark, but what does that translate to? Since this CDI was designed with performance and reliability in mind, with a stronger spark, it will help the engine use all the fuel it's supplied, which will translate into increased miles per gallon, higher top-end speed, and a boost in the mid-range and bottom-end power. In addition, the Stage 2 CDI features a key-locked ignition, which will help prevent theft. Now that we've talked about how a performance CDI can impact your ride, let's begin the simple installation. The Stage 1 comes with the CDI pre-attached to the coil pack. Both the red and black lines should be attached. Now on the other side of the CDI, begin to attach the wiring to the engine. Use the connection splitters and attach black to black and blue to blue. We recommend using a crimp tool, but pliers will suffice if this is all you have. Next, begin to lay out where you want your CDI and coil attached. Zip tie them down. Now take your electric hand controls and connect them to the open splitters. Attach green to blue and yellow to black. Lastly, connect your spark plug. The Stage 2 installation slightly differs from the Stage 1 in that you need to make your own connections. Start at the bottom of your Stage 2 CDI. Locate your red wiring and the ring connector and attach it by threading the wiring through the bottom and crimping it in place. Again, a crimp tool is best, but pliers will suffice. Next, grab the black wiring and attach the blade connector. Locate your coil and attach the ring connection using the nut and bolt provided. Attach the blade connection to the coil. Position and secure the CDI and coil in the desired location. Attach the spark plug. To finish off the connections, take the blue wiring from the CDI and the green from the hand controls. Twist them together and apply them to a splice connector. Do the same with the black line from the CDI and the yellow from the hand controls. Lastly, attach your black to black connections from the CDI to the engine, and the blue to blue. Unlock your spark and hit the road.